It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Sunday, October 23rd. I'm Michael Groff. Very warm conditions today, but clouds on the increase and some rain chances coming in by late in the day, and especially toward tomorrow. Unfortunately, rainfall chances and overall totals of precipitation not looking nearly as promising as was once thought. We'll talk about all of that as we look out there this morning. Mostly clear skies on the view from Wrigley Mansion this morning across the valley. 79 degrees right now at Sky Harbor, dew point at 45, relative humidity 30%. The winds are light and the barometer 30.03 inches and rising. Temperatures around the metro area pulled at 9 a.m. this morning. We were already getting up into the 80s in some spots, mid to upper 70s elsewhere. Satellite picture shows clouds on the increase, especially over Southern California. There's a few showers out that way right now, and that will continue throughout the day today. On the watch warning map, some wind advisories out west, and for portions of the northeast, upstate New York, Albany, over toward Burlington, Vermont, Hartford, Connecticut could see some windy conditions today. Red flag warnings in portions of the southeast, especially on the Florida peninsula, where it's very dry down there still. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather today. Most of the country in a very stable air mass. A little sliver of thunder over southern Arizona, but that's about it. Thunder expected in the west tomorrow, but again, no organized severe weather. Looking at our weather in more detail, these are the models. Let's look at it. This is the GFS, the 06C run, valid at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today. Still that same old persistent ridging out here in the west, a trough off the west coast, broad southwesterly flow around here, and little disturbances will be rotating around that low to our west, moving on in here this afternoon. Clouds will be on the increase, maybe a few showers, especially over Southern California, heading toward western Arizona this afternoon. But temperatures will still be very warm today, low to middle 90s, with those increasing clouds. Tonight, showers increasing over the area. Nothing significant, but we'll go with a 30% rain chance for tonight. Low temperatures will be very mild, upper 60s to middle 70s for many of us. Tomorrow, partly sunny day. Do think we will see some sunshine around here, and as a result, with more sun expected, temperatures will be a bit warmer than we thought. Near 90 tomorrow. Really depends on how much rain we see, but rain chances will be best during the midday hours toward the late afternoon. So the window from about noon to 6 p.m. tomorrow will be our best chances for rain around here. And this is the high-res NAM at 5 p.m. tomorrow to highlight that point a little bit further. Showers and maybe a few embedded thunderstorms organizing in a band tomorrow afternoon, extending from Organ Pipe National Monument up toward Gila Bend, Phoenix, Flagstaff on that line tomorrow afternoon, with another little area down toward Tucson. Now, again, the radar is not going to look exactly like this, but you get the idea. This is not going to be an impressive situation. Just some very light precipitation. An embedded, moderate, or heavy shower could be possible, a rumble of thunder or two, but most of us aren't going to see a whole lot out of this. Precipitable water values not nearly as high as we initially thought, still well above normal for October, 1.1 inches of PWatt or so. So the atmosphere will have some moisture, but instability just not that impressive. A few hundred joules per kilogram will support some isolated thunder, but certainly not a widespread event. So how much rain do we actually get out of all of this? Boy, not a whole lot. Maybe 1/10 of an inch. And again, you could be one of the lucky ones to get a heavier shower over top of you, but most of us, a few hundredths, 1/10 of an inch, that's about all we can hope for, with better rainfall totals across northern Arizona. Then on Tuesday, we start to dry it out. A few showers and thunderstorms possible over eastern Arizona, but for the most part, it will be dry. Temperatures upper 80s to about 90. Wednesday is another dry day with mostly sunny skies around here as high pressure reestablishes itself over the southwest states. Plenty of rainfall heading into northern California and in the Pacific Northwest, but that's going to be well to our west and north. Highs again, lower 90s. Thursday, a little bit warmer. High pressure continues as rain approaches the Southern California coast, but we are blocked from that. And these are the numbers off the GFS for Thursday afternoon. Boy, mid-90s around here. The record high for Thursday, 98 degrees. I think we're going to stay below that. But we will still be in the mid-90s. Normal high on Thursday, 84 degrees. So you see we're about 10, 11 degrees above normal. On Friday, little disturbances will move on past to the north. There could be a few showers around here. See, we do have some green on the map, but if we do see anything, it is not going to be significant by any means. The models have backed off on any sort of aggressive features here. These are very weak disturbances. So maybe a shower, partly sunny skies. Again, a 10% chance. Highs upper 80s to about 90. Saturday, there could be a stray shower in northern Arizona, but it's not looking too promising. Mostly sunny skies around here. And look at those temperatures. Lower 90s again. 92 is what the GFS has for Saturday. And that is well above normal, although not quite toward record territory. Record highs are still in the upper 90s at this period. This is a week from today, Sunday, October the 30th. Troughing continues off the west coast, but that is a big ridge going all the way up into western Canada. So we are blocked from any sort of precipitation getting in here. Maybe little disturbances try to rotate in here, but they're just not going to get on in. That ridge is blocking us off. High temps will still be above normal, upper 80s to low 90s. This is Monday, Halloween, October the 31st. And the ridge finally starts to slide toward the east. And maybe a few showers and thunderstorms in northern Arizona as a series of disturbances continues to break down that ridge. We will be partly cloudy with high temperatures likely in the upper 80s on Halloween, so well above normal. This is the end of the forecast period. Tuesday, November the 1st. Finally, a little bit of energy breaks away from the trough and heads toward the southwest states. Temperatures would cool off and maybe some very slight chances for rain around here, but nothing too promising. High temperatures a bit cooler, lower to middle 80s. Speaking of those temperatures, looking at it here off the GFS ensemble through the period, every one of the next 16 days, if this were to be right, would be at least slightly, if not significantly above normal temperature-wise. But the overall trend is for cooler temperatures. You're wondering, when are those cooler temps going to get here? They will come eventually. November and December, we really start to see some pleasant weather around here, but we're very patiently waiting. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video comes at you tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Have a tremendous Sunday.